Good evening to everyone. இங்கே லாமாக்கா பிராண்ட் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. ஏன்னா ஐ யூஸ் டு வேர் புக்காட்டி ஷூஸ். இட் காஸ்ட் அரவுண்ட் 10 to 15,000. நான் இந்த ஷூவை போட்டு பார்க்கும்போது த சேம் குவாலிட்டி ஐ ஃபீல். ஸோ at the price of 3,000 to 4,000. So they have specially நம்மளே நம்மளை சாய்ஸ் கொடுக்கலாம், என்ன மாதிரி ஷோல் வேணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு, என்ன மாதிரி லெதர் வேணும், என்ன மாதிரி கலர் வேணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ தெர் இஸ் மோர் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் ஆன் தட். தெர் இஸ் மோர் க்ரியேட்டிவ். அந்த டிசைன்ஸ் எல்லாமே த ஓன் டிசைன்ஸ். ஸோ ஐ லைக் திஸ் பிராண்ட் வெரி மச். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் பீப்புள் டூ கம். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you. 2017, I finished my footwear engineering in Milan and I came back to India. Chennai, I wanted to get a shoe, a proper handcrafted leather shoe. But when I kept on searching, I found it very difficult to get a proper shoe which is comfort as well as fit wise. And if I get a comfortable and a good fitting shoe, and eventually it turned out to be very costly. If they charge around 10 grand, 8 grand, stuff like that. Being me, I'm being into the leather industry, I wanted to create something different, something very affordable, knowing the in and out of leather. So I took the mantle in my own hands and started the brand La Marca with my colleague Paolo Merangi, who's an Italian designer. The concept of the brand La Marca is to deliver premium handcrafted leather products, leather shoes and accessories for men and women at an affordable pricing. And this is particularly for the Indian market, for domestic market. So usually we export to multiple countries like Italy, London, Japan and Germany. But why not an Italian designer work for an Indian market and design a shoe for Indians? The concept of the brand resonates with that. Thank you.
Narayanan, father of Arun Narayanan. This is not for the fourth. This is the fourth decade. He's doing the leather business. My grandfather started in the way back 1942, and we started first in Sri Lanka, and in 1946 we came to India, and then we had in those days we had to sell only to the English agents here to England. So my grandfather went direct to England. He opened a warehouse there. In 1950s, we opened a warehouse there and opened an office in England, and we started selling directly to Germany, Italy, and all over Europe. Then he also started in Japan. Then in 1965, we were the largest exporters in India, and we got the award for that. And we had about 60 tanneries in all over Tamil Nadu, and also in Bombay, Dharavi. So this is the. I am still in the leather. I am doing the leather. I finished leather as it is to Japan and to Europe, and he started this leather shoes now. He studied and he came back and he liked it so much, and he is the fourth decade in this leather business. He went to Milan, did his studies there, and then he started designing by himself and in Italy, and his designers are there and they are doing it. Okay.
We are really proud of him. We are really proud of him. He started La Marca.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yes, sir. Ready?
Thank you all for joining us for the inauguration of the Black Edition from La Marca. Black Edition is curated and designed by Mr. Paolo Merangi, our head designer from Italy, Milan. We are very happy to introduce our flagship store, which is situated at Keel Park, Garden Road, opposite Bhavan School. So we have a distinctive collection of handcrafted shoes and accessories at a premium pricing. We wanted our customers to have a very fine quality, genuine leather product at a very premium pricing. So, thank you. This is the founder and CEO of the brand, La Marca, Arun Narayanan. Thank you. So we have a varied collection ranging from formal to casual. We have brilliant colors which will start from English ranges to casual ranges, and a variation of leather products like suede, nubucks, interwoven mesh concepts, and handcrafted finishes like macchiato finish. We call the macchiato finish, which is simply handcrafting the shoe from its raw stage. And eventually we have a women collection which caters to a majority of shoes like loafers, moccasins, Oxfords, derbies, and also sandals. And at the same time we have our accessory editions which includes laptop bags, clutches, wallets and handbags, tote bags, hobo bags. And men collection we also have a separate bespoke section where we'll deliver from 15 color ranges from your choice. Thank you one and all present here.
Renting out and into real estate basically. So that's my basic business. So, and I'm a good friend of Satya. So she invited me, and shop looks pretty cool, and I
So
love
how's
it.
La Marca for you?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, and the prices looks to be pretty good, and the quality looks nice and very affordable too. So I think it's going to be a great runaway success.
Do you love shoes?
Yeah, I love, but I just injured my toe, so today I'm not very
So
able
shoes are just now a temptation for you.
right now, yes, very true.
Okay.
And I love Italian, so Italian
So it's-
food and shoes too.
I was going to ask you, what about Italian?
Yeah, everything
So-
Italian is good, and the quality is great.
So shoes and food is just the beginning.
Exactly. Yeah, you got it that right.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
joining
much.
us this evening
I'm
and
on.
raising your presence. Thank you,
so
sir.
much. Thank you.